Some of you don't see much. This wasp is captured a wolf spider. He's dragging him off. Pretty neat. That's gonna be his lunch.
He didn't even get up to his nest. Where's his nest? I don't know.
Where his nest is at, but it's pretty cool.
So, Dad, there's a bug on here. Under here. Up there.
It's amazing.
Oh, princess. After we're done videoing this bug, we can actually find out a lot more about this bug.
Wow. Look at that thing go.
We gotta get to... Someone's gotta clean their butt. Look at her. Whoa. Here, watch this. Watch this.
I'm more interested in scientific facts like that.
Pretty cool.
I wonder if
Look at that. There it is.
I think well,
Dragging him off.
hey, you know what would be really cool? If that thing was created at... Get back here. If that thing was created at Plum Island.
Here, give it to me.
Doubt that.
What's Plum
If it-
Island?
Oh, he has no idea what Plum Island is. Let's just not tell him. Whoa, he killed the spider. Look at him drag that thing.